the Idaho Panhandle this morning, hunting for elk, and I'm chasing a dream. This is a becoming for me, and I get a chance to come up here and try my skills against nature. This is the first stick bow I ever owned, and it owns a piece of my soul, and it was made by Dan and Toelke, just on the other side of these mountains. I have a feeling that Dan Toelke knew what he was doing when he put this bow into my hands, and I have a feeling he knew what he was saving. And I shoot this bow because it matters to me, and that's all.